Hello everyone. So today we will do the poem London by William Blake. So this poem is a setting in London during late 18th century. This poem tells us about the social, political and economical conditions of London at that time. इसमें पोएट एक्सप्लोर करते हैं स्ट्रीट्स ऑफ लंदन और हमें एक ओवरव्यू देते हैं उनकी कंडीशन का कि वहाँ के लोग कैसे रहते थे. So now introduction. William Blake's poem London. It was written in 1794. It is a powerful social commentary on the harsh realities of urban life. इसमें urban life की realities हमें बताई गई है during the late 18th century. तो poem explore the themes of poverty, गरीबी, oppression, अत्याचार, inequality, असमानता. तो ये सब थी कंडीशन वहाँ पे और हाईलाइटिंग द सफरिंग्स. और इसकी वजह से काफ़ी लोग सफ़र करते थे. इवन द वर्किंग क्लास, इवन द आर्मी, एवरीवन यूज्ड टू सफ़र बिकॉज ऑफ द करप्शन विद इन द इंस्टीट्यूशंस लाइक चर्च एंड मोनार्की. क्यों सफ़र कर रहे थे? बिकॉज जो चर्च थे और मोनार्की थी, दे वर करप्ट, they were unaccountable. The poem is structured in 4 stanzas, each conveying a sense of despair and injustice. तो ये poem लिखी गई है in the 4 stanzas और इसमें हमें बताया गया है despair and social injustice जो लोगों के साथ होता था. There was no hope within them and even they faced social injustice. सो मेन थीम्स ऑफ द पोएम इज़ पॉवर्टी. लोग काफ़ी गरीब थे, लोगों के पास पैसा नहीं था. इवन द चिमनी स्वीपर्स जो चिमनी साफ़ करते थे, दे वर द चिल्ड्रंस, दे वॉज चाइल्ड लेबर. ओके, लाइक दिस वॉज द कंडीशन एट दैट टाइम. And everyone was under the restrictions of societal norms. Then second theme is oppression on people. Now people were treated very badly. There was oppression, उन पे अत्याचार होता था. This was the condition of the people. They were lost in that suffering. Then inequality of the workers. Workers were not paid as much as they worked. There was inequality. Workers were not treated, they had no rights. So there was inequality due to industrial revolution. काम ज़्यादा होता था और पैसे उन्हें कम दिए जाते थे. Then corrupt monarch and churches. Even the monarch was greedy and unaccountable to the people. जो king था, he was also not accountable to the people. लोगों के बारे में कोई नहीं सोचता था. Everybody was suffering. Even the church were institutions of spirituality, but they were not spiritual but greedy, corrupt.